If you have this style of vent, don't do what I did. I kind of made a mess of this one as I learned things as I went. But this one, what I'm gonna do is, just 1 second. I'm gonna take this piece that came in there, this stuff you don't need. I'm gonna take this piece and first glue this to it. So just like that. I have a 2-inch outlet for my vents, so I don't need the siphon piece. This will just slide right on. It ain't pretty, but it won't need to be. But I just glued it on there. Fits in nice. Now with this piece, I'm just going to use this tool and literally rest it along this edge and cut. Just sort of like that. So I don't cut the black pipe inside until I cut this entire piece off. There, just cut it clean off. And now, all I have to do is size this black pipe to the correct height for that thing I made. So basically, I need to cut off about that much of the black pipe, and this will sit down nice on it. And then I'll just glue it. And then I'll glue this surface. I'm also going to clean this up a little better with my tool here. I can get in a little better and just clean it up. And then, yeah, just cut it right off. Just like that. It's probably good enough there. But the problem I had with the base that came with this thing, like if I removed this lap sealant and pulled this one off, at least on the other one, is the hole that this went through is bigger than the base. So the screws weren't going into anything. They had nothing to purchase on. So doing this way, I can reuse this. I won't have to dig up all this. And then, yeah, it's a lot simpler. So I just made my first cut. I just eyeballed it. And you can see that we need to cut a little bit more off. So I cut off that much more, and I'll see how well it sits. It looks like I got it just right. Nice and flat. So now, what I'll do is I'll glue this right to here. And then I'll cover it all with lap sealant. And there's the glue. Now I'll just push it on. I put glue around the pipe too. Now, I will just cover all of this with lap sealant, like I did to my abomination, but I'll use a little less. And there, that'll level itself out, and I'm done. Much simpler. I hope it'll level itself out. Maybe I'll put some more there.